Friends today on our baking date. So this is Focus Square. It's a mall in Tainan City, city center, the CBD. And yeah, that is me now. I have just entered the mall. I am navigating my way to the baking store. Is it called a baking store, a baking cafe? Yeah, let's turn to find our escalator. Here we found our escalator. We are now headed to the 3rd floor. Yeah, my friends, you guys. Hey Gabs. Hey Cindy. I made it. Thank you. Am I not that late?
No, you are, but we haven't started yet. You can put your stuff in the locker and grab an apron.
Oh, okay.
With us?
Is it gonna fit though? No.
If not, we can just catch it.
Let me just put it here. Okay. 15. Okay. Thank you. I need a bright color. Oh, you guys are having the same. Let me take the same as well. Yeah.
Cute. I think it goes with your hat.
Is it?
Yeah.
I like that.
It has the orange.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let the fun time begin. So is that mine?
Oh, so we're gonna just carry the tray. You want me to carry it and then you can pick it out. Let me just see. I'm gonna change it to English.
Okay.
I think. How do you unlock this? So we're gonna make 2 different types of cookies.
Okay.
And she said here is all the tools and the ingredients. And then we can use these tools as well.
Okay.
And then this area over here is like the decoration, like when we want to decorate.
Oh, if you want to decorate your cookie. Okay.
She said the drying rack and then packaging on the bottom.
Okay. All right.
Okay, so
cool.
Just grab 5 grams of butter
5 grams of butter.
and 1 tablespoon of 1 plastic brush.
2 of these.
I think so. It's just 1, right?
1.
Okay, just 1. 1 and then 1 of these.
Wait. It's 2.
Okay, we can get 2.
Okay.
And then 1 of them.
This one.
I think it's like 1 for each.
Oh.
Probably, yeah.
Okay. And then these.
Yeah, and then we can put it here and then
Oh, okay. And then 5 gram butter
inside the white bowl.
inside the white bowl.
Do you
Okay.
like matcha?
Hmm?
Do you like matcha?
No,
No. Okay.
it's not my favorite.
Okay, so we can just plain.
Maybe we can put on 1.
Okay, wait. Let me just.
Okay, 5 gram. How many grams are these?
I don't know, but I'm gonna just.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, that's 8, 9.
9 already.
We need just 1, maybe.
Maybe 1. Let me just take 1. Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe
Okay.
I think it's okay.
Okay.
It's okay. 4.7. It's okay.
Okay. Yeah. Just put it in here.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna just equal this. Yeah.
Okay.
So they wanted
Thank
to
you.
put it
1 minute.
10 seconds.
10 seconds.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah, it's too small. And then start. At least it's translated. divine.